Hello and welcome viewers. I'm Dr. T.K. Chatterjee, Associate Professor Marketing with Institute of Management Technology at Nagpur. I have got more than 20 years of experience in hardcore sales and marketing in corporate, and about 13 years back I ventured into academics. I'm very excited today to talk about a very interesting topic, that is why MBA? What are the prospects of doing MBA? Now, I'm really excited to talk on this topic because some 35 years back, I had done my MBA and today I'm here. So, just briefly, I'll talk about my journey and I want to tell students that how wide a prospect you have having done your MBA. Now, what I found was that my father was an IAS officer in government of Bihar, and I found him working in different capacities at different point of time. Sometime he was managing irrigation, sometime he was managing electricity board, sometime he was managing finance, and blah blah, anything that you can think of. An IAS officer, is supposed to manage that. Now, what I found having done my MBA is IAS is to government, is MBA is to corporate. Just as government expects an IAS officer to be master of all everything, similarly, a corporate expects an MBA to be master of business management. Anything that is thought of in the business, and MBA graduate is expected to do that, and they never get bored because they keep shifting from functional area to functional area in corporate. Sometimes they are managing supply chain, sometimes they are managing analytics, sometimes they are in hardcore sales, sometimes they are managing other operations of the organization. Finally, leading to the position of CEO for the right candidate. So MBA actually as a qualification, it gives you versatility. It's a versatile qualification. It sets you free. You choose your organization, you choose your functional area, and there is no limit to growth. And especially like in my case, I started from grassroots sales, and then I found myself managing entire eastern region, then general manager, and then CEO, where I was managing the entire operation of an organization. So I never got bored. And then just to give you another exciting dimension of MBA as a qualification, that once I started getting little, I don't know, I was looking for a change. I was in my mid 40s or so, having worked for more than 20 years in a corporate. I was looking for some opportunity to slightly slow down in my life, and then I found that academics gave me another wide field. So at that time, when I started my teaching career with ICFI Business School, and then I grew from ICFI Business School. I went to Kids School of Management in Bhubaneswar, and now I'm in IMT. In between, I had a brief stint with EMPI Business School at Delhi. But what I found, that though thanks to my long experience in corporate, I was able to teach well and students were finding value in my lectures, yet I found it necessary to do some research also. And because it gives you a fresh angle, and also it is it is virtually mandatory for an academician to have a doctorate qualification, which I did parallelly with my job in IMT Nagpur. I registered with National Law University Jodhpur for my PhD, and I finished it a couple of years ago. I'm very excited. I'm writing some research papers. I'm thoroughly enjoying my life as a professor now, and I will suggest that those of you who want to pursue a career in corporate, go ahead. But I just give you my journey to give you another angle. Those who are alums and those who have worked for maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years in corporate, and are looking for some kind of change in career, this is another option. You can start teaching, and nowadays, of course, thanks to these different pay scales and all which have come, seventh pay commission is already in place. Most of the good B schools are paying decent salary now, so that concept of teachers being poor is also a thing of past. It is a remunerative profession and gives you a lot of satisfaction. Okay, so I think some of you have got the message, and I'm really excited about MBA as a qualification. It's a versatile qualification. Okay, so this is COVID era, so stay home, stay safe, and hopefully things will come back to normal sooner or later. We will have to keep our patience till then. Till then, keep yourself safe, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy. Thank you.